guys, today I'll show you how you can get money in Elevate Pay. So let's get started. If you're using Elevate Pay and want to receive money, the process is actually very simple once your account is fully set up. First, make sure you've completed your profile and verification inside the app. Without verification, you may face limits or delays when receiving payments. Once your account is ready, open Elevate Pay and go to your main dashboard. Here, you'll usually find your account details, such as your wallet ID, email, or banking information, depending on what Elevate provides. This is the information you'll share with the person or business sending you money. There are a few common ways to receive money. The first is direct transfer, where someone sends funds to your Elevate Pay account using your details. The second is through payment links. If Elevate Pay offers a request payment or receive option, you can generate a link and send it to anyone. They just click the link and complete the payment. You can also receive money from freelance platforms or clients by connecting Elevate Pay as your payout method, if supported. This is useful if you work online and want a simple way to collect payments. After someone sends you money, you'll get a notification inside the app. You can then check your balance in the dashboard. From there, you can either keep the money in your wallet or withdraw it to your linked bank account if that option is available. One important tip is to always double-check your account details before sharing them. Even a small mistake can delay your payment. Also, keep an eye on any fees or processing times so you know exactly when your money will arrive. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.